Legionnaires' disease can be a severe pneumonia, and in those patients with older populations with chronic health problems, it can be severe, causing hospitalization to intensive care units.
It's a health alert tonight. A person has died as cases of Legionnaires' disease have been reported in western North Carolina. Now, so far, health officials have confirmed 14 cases, and it appears all of those people visited a fairground in Fletcher. 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell has been following this story all afternoon. Ann, what do we know?
Gordon, Legionnaire's disease is a type of lung infection that people get after breathing infected water. It takes a while for symptoms to appear, so officials are asking those who went to the North Carolina State Mountain Fair to be aware that they could be at risk.
Fever, coughing, aches, and shortness of breath. These symptoms could be a sign of Legionnaire's disease.
If someone is having symptoms currently, they probably should be seen promptly.
Legionnaire's disease is a type of lung infection that typically affects vulnerable people, such as those over the age of 50, people with lung issues, or those with compromised immune systems.
It tends to affect people who don't have normal health.
Health officials have confirmed 14 cases in people who attended the North Carolina Mountain State Fair in Fletcher earlier this month. Usually about 150 cases per year are reported in the state.
Not a huge number, so it was concerning to hear about several cases in a single geographic area, and particularly to hear about people reporting having been at this one particular event.
The disease is spread through inhaling mist or vapor of infected water. It's only spread from person to person in rare cases, according to experts. Health officials haven't yet pinpointed a source for the cases in western North Carolina.
At this point, working with the fair organizers to try to identify sources of aerosolized water, mists, and vapors that could have been present during the fair, because those would be the ways that people usually get exposed.
Again, health officials are asking anyone who went to the North Carolina Mountain State Fair and is experiencing symptoms to see a doctor right away and ask them about Legionnaire's disease.
And that disease is treatable with antibiotics, but as mentioned earlier, it can be very serious, even deadly. From 7 on Main, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
And thank you.